Hey everyone, we love watching sci-fi movies because they show us an insight into how our future can be, and our future is incomplete without robots. But what are robots? When we hear the word robot, we believe it is a human-shaped machine made of screws and metal. But that's not always the case. Robots can be defined as a metallic body that is interconnected, interactive, logical, and physical body that can perform numerous tasks. Robots are intelligent. They adapt to their environment, have reasoning skills, perform actions that make human lives more manageable, and make algorithmic plans. Yes, robots can use algorithms to understand and carry out tasks based on their programming. Curious to know what is an algorithm? Then wait for our next video. Subscribe to our channel to ensure that you don't miss any of our videos. If you can't wait, book a demo class with us and learn robotics. Check the description for more details. Until next time, keep calm and learn how to code.